Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable flash on call on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable flash on call on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Now from here, scroll down and tap on LED flash for alerts. Now from here, make sure you enable LED flash for alerts. Now from here, you can enable flash in silent mode, or you can enable flash while unlocked. Now once you enable this feature, the flash on your iPhone will start blinking when you receive a call or a notification. And this is how you can enable flash on call on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.